Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to play mobile games on the PC. Go to any browser, search for the BlueStacks. Go to the site and download BlueStacks. After downloading, click it and install the program to your computer. This is original program and safe to install. Click install now. Click agree. Wait until installing BlueStacks to your computer. After downloading finishes, open application and click next. Now you can install programs from Play Market in this program. Go and install any game you want to play, for example Subway Surfers. Click install from Google Play. Click it again. And it will require Google Play account. Sign in your account. After signing in your account, it will redirect you to the Google Play. Click install. And it will start installing the game into your computer. Wait until it finishes. After installing it, click play. And you can now play Android games on PC. Thank you for watching.